Comprehensive Code YouTube channel. Today we'll be solving Leetcode 1404. Number of steps to reduce a number in binary representation to 1. Let's read the question first and understand it. Given the binary representation of an integer as a string s, return the number of steps to reduce it to 1 under the following rules. Okay. If the current number is even, you have to divide it by 2. If the current number is odd, you have to divide it, add 1 to it. Okay, it's guaranteed that you can always reach one of all the test cases. All right, let's take this as an example. So the decimal representation, our base 10 representation of this is 13, right? Okay, and then so for the first step we have to do is 13 is odd, that's why we add 1. Okay, that will be 14, and 14 is even, we divide it by 2, that means like it will be 7. Okay, 7 is odd, that's why we add 1. Okay, it will be 8. Okay, and then 8 is even, we divide it by 2, that is 4. Okay, and then 4 is even, we divide it by 2 and we get 1, and 2 is even and we divide it by 2, 1. Okay, and then now let's see how many steps did we do till we get 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? After this we got 1, so the answer is 6 in this case. Okay, let's talk about how we can solve this. Okay, let's do a simulation. Let's convert this in a number. So basically we can convert that into a number in Python using integer s, and then we can pass it the base s2. It will convert us to that number, and we'll run a while loop, or we'll run a while loop until we get 1, or until the number is greater than 1. We just do a loop to ensure like the simulation. If it is odd, we add 1. If it is even, we divide it by 2. And at last, like we'll also track the number of steps. How many steps have we done till now? And at last we return the number of steps. Okay, let's see. Let's write the code and see how it looks. Okay, so let's say num steps is 0. Okay, while let's convert it into number. Number is integer s, and then the base is 2. Okay, while number is greater than 1, what we do is, if number is greater or equal to 2, or we can do that. If that is odd, we just add 1 to the number, else we just divide this number by 2. Okay, and then also we just add the number of steps. Okay, all right, at last what we can do is just return the number of steps. Okay, all right, that should be pretty much it. And let's talk about the space and time complexity for this solution. So the space complexity for this solution is order of 1, as we have not allocated any space. And let's talk about the time complexity. If we talk about the time complexity, it's order of n, because we are converting this number and running this while loop at worst n times. So that is pretty much it, and let's run this code. And as you can see, it is accepted, and let's submit this. As you can see, let's run it again. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty efficient. And if you find this helpful, please do like and subscribe in my channel. I'll bring more of these videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope we'll meet soon.